Hey, this is Get to the Point, back with another Ford Super Duty build-up video. I'm in the middle of a brake job right now. Check out my video on that where I show you how to do it step by step. But I wanted to tell you about a killer tool that I found for about $20 that could help greatly extend the life of your four-wheel drive wheel bearings. It is RDP ABS. I presume that means Riff Raff Diesel Performance ABS Tool. And what this little $20 anodized metal tool does is fit in place of your front ABS wheel speed sensor, and it allows you to turn it into a grease fitting. So let me show you how it works. Okay, right behind the hub flange, if you have front ABS, you lift this little flap on the splash shield, and there is your front ABS wheel speed sensor, and it is held in by a 3/16 Allen head, and it's a special machined piece. You pull the wheel speed sensor out, and as you can see, it's got a grease fitting on there. So you unbolt the wheel speed sensor, bolt this in. It's got a little O-ring on it, and that allows you to grease that wheel bearing. So it's made in USA. Costs about $19.82 on their website, and with shipping I think it was like $21 or $22. So for about 20 bucks, you can greatly extend the life of your wheel bearings and possibly save hundreds of dollars. Anybody who has done this job knows that it's not fun, and also it's not cheap. Make sure the head of the bolt is cleaned out very well so you don't strip it out. There's your little bolt right there. Now wiggle up as you pull. There should be crud all over this sensor, but the sensor comes right out. Go ahead and clean it up a little bit with a rag. Now we're going to clean up this hole down here and insert the tool. Okay, with the sensor out of the way, now we can push the tool in. You see this little hunk of aluminum has its own O-ring in there to help seal. Push it down flat and screw it in to keep it stationary. Go ahead and screw it all down all the way. Just snug it up. You don't have to be super tight with it. And now you have a greasable wheel bearing fitting. Now just take your grease gun hose, snap it over the end, squeeze, 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 rotate, squeeze, 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 rotate. Do that a few more times. I'm sure this is the first time this bearing's been lubed since it left the factory, so it's probably plenty dry. It's amazing it lasted this long. I'm guessing this is the original bearing. This is a 2000 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive, so it's probably the first time this thing's seen grease in 18 years. Just squeeze, rotate, squeeze, and rotate, and go ahead and take it back out and put the wheel sensor back in. This has been Get to the Point. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.